There's dirt in my nails from scraping the walls, and I thought I hit bottom, so why am I still falling? I know who I am, I didn't forget, but I just need belief, and then I won't give up yet. But God, this is all feeling so hard. Why am I lost out in the dark? And why am I struggling just to keep standing? Tears won't stop coming and I don't understand them. Maybe it's true that I'm getting stronger, but this really hurts.